Hello everyone, let's try to solve this question together. So we have a newborn infant who is noted to have inspiratory stridor. An endoscopic examination showed floppy epiglottis. Let me play the video for you. As you guys can see that epiglottis is falling back. So the true statement about this condition or the management is, pause the slide, take a look. The correct response here is that it will improve by 9 months to 1 year. So just waiting and watching is important. So because A is right, there's no need for surgery. Prone position is advised, but I will show in the next slide why prone position does not decreases the risk of aspiration. Actually, it increases the risk of aspiration. And again, antacid will decrease, the acidity, but it will not decrease the risk of aspiration. One usually starts because, if more is just to prevent the airway and decrease the acidity of the stomach, but it has nothing to do with risk of aspiration. So again, the answer was it will resolve by 9 months to 1 year. And this is the slide which I was telling. So when the baby is prone, look at the anatomy. The esophagus is here, and trachea is anterior, so the feed can go there and get aspirated, while supine is good. Supine decreases the risk of aspiration. That's why American Academy of Pediatrics recommend back to sleep. So I hope you guys have learned something together today. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye.